Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? It's been a minute since I've done like a makeup tutorial, and I was like, I kind of wanted to get away from that because I started my channel originally to do hair and fashion, but I was like, you know what, let me do a nice little glam look for y'all. So let's get right into it. We are going to be doing a smoky eye glitter look. Make sure that you continue to watch. Before we get into it, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and then I want you to like, comment, all that down below, period, okay? So let's get right into this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about it, sis. Welcome to Makeup Mondays. Hey flowers, so we're going to get right into this look. What's up? We're going to start with my Kypris Antioxdiant Dewy Serum. I love this serum. I use it before I use my primer. This is my Ramona Joan LaFleur Stash Jar Primer and Moisturizer. And I'm just going to rub that in all over my face. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. Yes, this is the color 415. That's the Pro Filter Matte Foundation. And I'm just going to buff that out with my Morphe E4 brush. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in quite some time. I kind of was doing challenges for a little while. But, you know, let's just do a nice little glam smoky eye glitter tutorial. Why not, right? Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Concealers, and this is C415, and then the dark one is C555. Both with neutral undertones. I actually like this because this foundation is a little bit darker than me, so I love the lighter with the really dark contour. I don't know, it just really looks good with this foundation. So this is like my go-to pair, and I just knew Morphe Concealers, so we're back at it with the goodies. So after I, of course, rub that out, I'm going to take another brush to do my nose and to make sure that my nose is nice and contour with the nose. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to buff out the concealer part. There's something there. I don't know what. Yeah, okay. And I'm doing the bottom piece because this concealer dries faster, especially in regards to like my previous one. It dries a lot faster. So I'm just trying to do that line first because I can't stand when that line doesn't blend out right. And now I'm just going to start doing under the eye. Sorry I keep looking at the TV. I can't even remember what I was watching, but I was watching it and filming, which is a horrible habit. Okay, so now I'm just going to start setting my face. And I've decided to start setting with a brush actually because it gives a better airbrush feel. I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and now I'm using my P. Louise base in the Rumor number 2. But yeah, I started using a brush because I find that it gives that more of an airbrush feel, and it's not as cakey as when you use a beauty blender to set your face. I don't know. I don't think I have much use for, Okay, so now I'm going in, and this is my Social Butterfly palette. I'm going in with that pink color, which I believe is called Besties, and I'm just using that as my transition color or my top color to do this look. And now I'm going in with the second color, which I cannot remember the name of. Hello, Reese, pay attention. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with that pink just to make it look not as bright, but still have that pinky feel to it. So after that, I'm going to go on with the purple color, and I'm just going to blend that out as well. This is going to give me a gradient. I wanted the smoky eye to smoke out into a pink. I thought that would be really pretty, so that is why we're doing pink. Okay, so now of course we go in with the black. I put the black all over my lid, but I also put it above my crease. And then once I'm done with that, I do go ahead and buff that out with all the colors, which I did lose that footage. So now I'm just putting in the glitter. This is black glitter, and you put that glitter over the black, but you still want to have some of that black showing, so it still shows that kind of like fade out look, you know what I mean? So the glitter is also fading out as well. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I do go back in with the purples and the blues just to buff that out around the top and just make it look more gradient. Okay, so after I do all of that, I'm just going to brush off the excess setting powder, which it shouldn't be a lot of. And now I'm going with my MAC NW58 for contour. And then I'm going to use my Glam and Bronze in the color Leader from Morphe. This is a bronzer. And I'm just going to put that right on top of that contour. And it just makes my face warm up a lot more. You can see like I look a lot warmer. And then I'm going to go with my favorite blush from Wet n Wild. And this is the Berry Shimmer color. I'm just going to just kind of, I love blush, so make me rosy, sis. So I'm going in with the glue from the pigment glue from Chanel Cosmetics, and now I'm using my pink neon cosmetics from Chanel as well. I'm just putting that in the inner corner just to brighten up that eye. I just love the way that that looks. I don't know, I just love that. It just brings out the pink a lot more. So now, since the theme is pink, I'm going with my Purple Dream highlighter from Artist Couture, and that's what you see me putting down now. I actually love the way this highlight looks on me. It's just so gorgeous. The ring light takes away the real color, but it looks so like purpley pink. It's so pretty on me. Okay, so after that, I'm going to start putting on some mascara. And this is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some lip liner. And now I'm putting on my Ramona Joan Cosmetics. You know, this is my favorite combo. My Ramona Joan Cosmetics. This is the color Natalie Piper. And that is y'all. So I'm just going to go take down my hair, put on my lashes, change my shirt. And we are back, y'all. This is the final look. I did not do my hair because I put it on for this wig. I'm taking it back off. So these are the lashes. These are House of Lashes, and this top is from Shein. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little model, and that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.